I'm Rick Knuth, product manager for BOSS Snowplow. Well, after we introduced the Snowrator several years ago, the ask from the customers out in the field was we need more versatility. We need that to do more for us, not just plow snow, not just drop salt. So the team at BOSS started working right away on the next solution. That allowed us the opportunity to look at those needs, and we created out of that the new BOSS Snowrator MAG, which gives the customers the versatility they're looking for. We've got a v-plow attachment, 4-foot, 5-foot straight blade attachment, rotary broom attachment, as well as a snow thrower attachment. Well, what sets the MAG apart from the regular Snowrator is the versatility. With the base Snowrator, it comes with a 4-foot straight blade and the option of a drop spreader. You've got all those other attachments that are available for the Snowrator MAG that are quick attach and hydraulically operated. Now, this product's been in development for a couple of years now, so internally we've been doing field testing for about 2 years, and then we've got multiple units out in the field this year with customers who currently use the existing Snowrator so that they're able to experience the differences and see if it answers the needs that they were looking for. It's a sidewalk machine, so people that service sidewalks, the problem now is the labor pool in almost every industry, every job, and the landscape contractors, maintenance contractors have the same issue, hiring enough people to shovel sidewalks in tight areas. The Snowrator and the Snowrator MAG answer that by replacing as many as 5 to 8 shovelers on any given job site. So one person can operate all these different attachments and do the work of 5 to 8 people.